materials to the presiding officer at the tallying station, correct?
Yes.
Prepare now, give evidence in preparation of that presiding officer to come to the tallying center. What is he or she supposed to do? I'm assuming where in a situation where he has spoiled votes, he has...
Council, it will help if you ask questions
let me ask
which are not compounded in such a way that an answer cannot be recorded.
I will get it, my lord. When the presiding officer closes the polling station, declares the results, how does he prepare himself to come to the tallying center?
Your Honor,
in terms of strategic materials.
Your Honor, the strategic materials, apart from the physical register and the PSD booklet, are supposed to be sealed inside the transparent box.
Inside the transparent box. Let's go one by one.
Returning officer.
When sealing
transparent ballot box.
Yes.
When sealing the counterfoil,
yes.
What is the presiding officer supposed to do? How is he supposed to treat that counterfoil?
Your Honor.
Is it supposed to be placed in an envelope?
Your Honor, that is the case.
Yes.
It's supposed to be placed in an envelope.
And clearly marked as?
Yes, if that is what you're asking, all of them are supposed to be labeled accordingly in their respective envelopes.
Yes. Correct?
Yes.
And subsequently, after labeling and putting them in all the respective envelopes, what is the presiding officer supposed to do?
Is supposed to seal that ballot box and, of course, the aperture.
Seal the ballot box?
In the presence of the agents.
With the aperture. Is that supposed to be recorded anywhere in the PSD?
Yes, it is supposed to be recorded.
Is it possible, therefore, that one can get a counterfoil outside a polling station?
Yes, it is. Sorry.
Is it possible?
It is.
That you can get a counterfoil outside?
Yes, it is possible, Your Honor.
In such circumstances, what do you do as a presiding officer?
Presiding or returning?
Returning officer, sorry.
When they are brought to the returning officer, I'm supposed to communicate to the agents, the chief agents who are in that tallying center, and ensure their safe keep of those said strategic materials, the counterfoils and other materials they are in.
Why are they supposed to be sealed in a ballot box at the time of transportation?
So
is that part and parcel of accountability?
Yes,
and transparency?
It is.
And the security of the elections?
Yes, it
and
is.
the verifiability of the elections?
Yes.
Is that sealing supposed to serve that purpose?
Yes.
Which the aperture seal?
With the sealing of all those strategic materials in the ballot box. Are they supposed to meet those election principles?
Yes, they do.
And that is why they are required to be witnessed by the respective agents, correct?
Yeah, in their respective polling stations.
Get a hold of the report by the registrar. But before we go to the report, what happens to the other registers which you said they should not be sealed in the ballot?
Your Honor, they are supposed to be
How are they treated?
They are supposed to be brought to the returning officer's desk for safekeeping in the office.
Sorry?
Which registers?
The physical registers, which were in the field, they are now supposed to be sealed in the transparent box. They are supposed to be brought physically to the returning officer desk.
That is to say, on that day, you received 134 registers, correct?
128 physical registers.
128.
They're supposed to be returned to the RO.
Yes, the returning officer.
Grab your affidavit and show us the paragraph where you made that averment?
It's not there.
Yes?
It is not there.
You are aware that we had made a case that voters registers were not present, correct?
Yes, you are saying.
Are you the one who received all these voters registers?
From the field?
Yes.
Yes, they were brought to the returning officer's desk.
Once you receive them, do you do any kind of documentation?
Yes,
Or you just receive them kienyeji?
Hapana wakili.
What do you do?
We usually, Your Honor,
What do you do?
they are documented.
Where is the did you in this case did you document?
He has not provided. So.
Did you not document?
No, we did.
Yes?
We did document.
Where is the documentation evidencing the receipt of those materials?
Not presented.
Do you have it before the court?
No.
And on this case, Mr. Witness, other than what you are saying, there is nothing else before the court to confirm the accountability of those documents, correct? Other than what you have just said, correct? Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness? Other than what you have just stated before the court, there is no any other material evidence before the court to confirm that you indeed received them, correct? Correct or not correct?
Not correct, because they are already
So where
in the
is,
court
I'm not asking
premise.
those ones. I'm not
They are already in the court
siulizi hizo,
premise.
tunajua mahali ziko. Tunasema katika affidavit yako hakuna ushahidi mwingine ambao umeleta katika mahakama. Kweli ama si kweli?
In the affidavit none.
You had actually answered that question.
Thank you.
He said that that documentation is not in my affidavit or exhibits. That's the way I recorded it.
When you are when you are handing over these materials to the deputy registrar, yes?
Yes.
Did you accompany or did you give that document evidencing these registers to the deputy registrar?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's have a look at the registrar's report and kindly guide us to where you gave that. Which form do you give, by the way? Which form? Which form
Yes.
do you give as evidence for the registers? Which form do you take
S10?
stock? Wait. Which form do you take as stock for that
S11 and
register?
S10, Your Honor, which are here.
Sorry?
Listed accordingly.
Let us take us that paragraph. Page which one? Which page? Which page? Guide us on the page.
Page, is it 55?
Page 55. S11. Yes?
We go through that and we also continue to the...
Let's go to page 55. As you indicate. Is a counter requisition and issue voucher, correct?
Yes.
When is this document deployed?
When we are issuing and receiving.
Yes? When is this document deployed, Mr. Witness?
I said...
When is it deployed?
When receiving and issuing out materials, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
When receiving and issuing out materials. In this case, look at where we have the date. Can you see the date at the corner? Far right corner?
20th January 2026.
20th, 2026, January 2026.
Yes.
So to whom were you issuing these materials to?
We are presenting them to court.
You are presenting them to court.
Yes.
Now I am asking for you to show me the document that you evidenced receipt of these registers at the Tallying Center on the date you received them. That is the document I'm interested in.
Your Honor, it was not...
It is not
sent
there.
out, Yes.
Yes?
Yes, but it is in the office.
It's okay. Which office?
The commission office.
So it was never brought to the court, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Did you understand the nature of the court order that was granted by this court, Mr. Witness?
We were supposed to.
Did you not?
We were. I did.
Thank you. So, at page 55, the counter requisition and issue voucher do not relate to the tallying center. Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness?
It does. Because these are the materials which were used in the tallying center.
I'm not asking the ones that were used. I'm asking the document that you received. You have agreed that it's in the office, correct? It is not before the court, correct?
It is not before the court.
And therefore that document is not secured as per the order of the court, correct? As per the order of the court, Mr. Witness, that document which we do not even understand is not secured, correct?
It had not been asked for.
Yes?
It had not been asked for. It is the materials which had been asked for.
Okay, thank you. Yes. But you confirm that on that particular date, are you the one who filled this form at page 55? Are you the one or you are not the one, Mr. Witness?
Not I.
Who filled this form?
It was the county election manager.
Were you present at that particular time?
I was.
Was he aware of the court order?
She was.
Thank you. But look, go with me at where we have the entry number 1, registration of voters. The number of the pieces is 128, correct?
Yes.
At that particular time, on the 20th of January 2026, you are aware that there were missing registers, correct?
I was aware. I was.
Did you substantiate that in your response? At that particular time, Mr. Witness, you were aware. Did you take or did you bother to answer that?
No, it was not asked.
Okay. It was not sought for. But you're aware that they were missing, correct?
Yes, I came to be aware they were missing.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Witness, confirm that there is nowhere in the rules, in the election rules, that allows you to receive, and if they are raised, you fish it out. Or, sorry, before I ask that questions, at the close of the polls, how many ballot boxes were you to receive at the tallying center?
134.
134 ballot boxes, correct?
Correct.
So any stock or any documentation can only be restricted to the number of the polling stations that were domiciled in Mbeere North at the time of the elections, correct? Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness?
Correct.
Yes?
Yes.
I didn't understand the question.
We, at the close of the polls and subsequent to the declaration, we were only supposed to have a sum total of 134 ballot boxes containing the strategic materials, correct?
True.
And that is done for purposes of enhancing accountability, transparency, secure, and the security of the elections, correct?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
In this case, how many ballot boxes did you hand over to the deputy registrar pursuant to the court order?
100 boxes and one extra ballot box due to the faithfulness.
It's okay.
And
I'm asking Mr. Witness, excuse me.
135.
How many did you have?
135.
135. When a presiding officer fails to meet the obligations of securing those materials and it finds itself outside the ballot box as unsecured, is he or she supposed to hand you over with a certain document? Is there documentation?
PSD.
Is there documentation that is done?
Yeah,
Is there
PSD.
documentation that is done?
PSD, yes.
For accountability purposes?
PSD.
Yes?
PSD.
PSD. What does PSD capture?
Right,
What does it capture?
polling station diary.
I
All the
understand what it is.
happenings. Oh, you are
I'm
I'm
asking.
sorry.
Listen, Mr.
Counsel,
Witness.
you know you are what I would call harassing.
Okay, okay.
Ask the question, let him answer.
Okay, okay.
Because I'm actually unable even to keep up with your speed.
Okay,
Because you're
yeah.
asking,
I
you
will-
ask
I will
again,
go
then
by
you
the
change
speed
on
of
the
the
way.
vote. Okay, I'll go by the speed of the
I know you're excited.
No. It's not an anxiety. We got him.
No, I know this is your area now.
Yes, now we got him. You see, he cannot even explain how the
So what do you want to
documents
know about when a presiding officer fails to do what?
came. And Mr. Witness,
Your Honor.
excuse me.
Your Honor, please protect me.
Mr. Witness,
That's what I've just
our
done.
witnesses
It's also
were not
good to respect my professionalism.
We never sought for protection when a witness or being cross-examined. Listen to my questions and answer.
I am. Jesus.
Perhaps
So I'm asking
my
one-
Lord, maybe just to help the witness. Perhaps he hasn't said that, but I think Mr. Njiru should have noticed by now. I think he stammers, so I think he needs to give him time
Okay.
to answer the questions. I think that's something I've noticed. He's not able to speak as fast because I think he
All right.
stammers. yes.
Council didn't tell us
Please try
that.
to cope up with that condition.
Mr. Mongela, maybe you should have told us that right at the beginning.
Yes, my Lord.
Maybe you should have told us what counsel is now telling us. He's your witness. He's not Gachuba's witness. Gachuba is just making a mention of what he has noted concerning the witness's ability to respond quickly, which is why he might be looking confused when he's not really confused.
Yes, my lord. I note that it's like he's competing with my learned friend Mr. Njiru in terms of the quickness to answer. It's like they are on a race. And I would really want him to absorb the question and get to know what it is he's
I'm trying
answering.
to have a slow pace. So, Mr. Witness. Okay.
There was also some sentiments that had been expressed by Mr. Njiru that this witness will be grilled, turned upside down, turned whichever way. So I'm not sure how it will end.
We will slowly marinate him. Mr. Witness.
Just ask him one question at a time, please.
Yes, okay.
Otherwise, I'll actually have to
Okay, my
stop
lord.
you every time I hear one question has been asked.
Okay, my
I'll
lord.
just stop you. I'll say, answer
Okay,
that
okay,
particular
my lord.
question, then I come back to you. You'll
I'm
be
well
losing
guided, my
time.
lord. I'm well guided. Mr. Witness, when did you receive? Look at the report. Most importantly, you look at page. At what time is the?
Are we showing the DR's report?
Yeah, I'll go to it. They're fishing. At what time does the presiding officer stop any further entries on the PSD? At what time?
It is when
At what time?
he is in the tallying center, because he's also supposed to sign that he has brought the materials to the returning officer.
So the entries at the tallying center only relates to the handover of those materials, correct?
Yes.
Anything else is supposed to happen at the polling station, correct? Correct or not correct? Other than the entries that are captioned at the tallying center for the handover of the materials, anything therein before is supposed to happen at the polling station, correct?
Correct.
You know, I'm referring the witness to page 53 of the DRS report. You also confirm that any entry other than the entry in respect of the forwarding of the materials at the tallying center are supposed to be done in the presence of all the agents, correct? at the polling station, correct? May I repeat the question?
Yeah.
Other than the final entries at the tallying center that are done by the presiding officer during the handover of the materials, any other entry therein before is always supposed to be done at the in the PSD in the presence of all the agents, correct?
Yes.
Are you at page 53?
Yes, I am.
Can you see where we have entry number 153, 135?
135, yes.
What does that represent?
The strategic.
What is 133?
133, sorry.
Sorry, 135, sorry.
Strategic material.
That is a ballot box, correct?
Yes, it is.
It's a ballot box.
What page are we on?
My lord, we are at page 53.
53.
53. And you're asking about what? The item number 135.
The entry number 1, first column. That is it represents a ballot box, correct?
Yes.
You are simply saying that in the entire Mbeere North, we had 135 ballot boxes, correct?
Can I explain?
No, no,
Your Honor?
correct or not, you'll explain. Your lawyer will come to ask you
No.
questions. You still maintain we had 134, correct?
134, yes.
Okay. So, but we have a ballot box containing strategic materials delivered at the tallying center outside the sealed ballot box.
Yes, correct.
Who sealed this ballot box?
I did.
Did you seal it in the presence of all the agents?
I did not seal in the tallying center. I sealed when I was
Okay.
bringing the materials to the court for security purposes.
Okay. Repeat that again.
I sealed the box, the strategic materials which were outside when they were being brought to the court, so that the materials can be secure.
Okay.
And
So you
with
confirm.
guidance of the council,
It's okay.
faithfulness to the court, the materials were brought in that.
Mr. Witness, wait for my question.
5 strategic box
Wait
materials.
wait for my question.
Please do.
You confirm that this ballot box was not sealed at the tallying center.
It's true, it wasn't.
So if we go to the PSDs, we'll not see any seal relating to these materials, correct?
It will not be there.
So when you received, what is name of the what is the second entry is what? You can see where we have Ndegwa. Ndegwa.
Yes.
Ndegwa is what?
That is award.
Award. And the next one is the polling station code,
Polling
correct?
station, yes.
And that polling station was
Mungao Primary School.
Mungao Primary School,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
And you have the ballot box serial number,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
What is that? Explain to us.
Ballot box serial number.
What happened with the ballot box of Mungao?
Council, you asked him about 103022. He hasn't answered.
Yeah, that's correct, my lord.
Yeah, can you answer? Then you could move to the next one.
My lord, the serial number is 1304.
You asked him what it is. I was just
Yes,
about
yes,
to write.
yes. What is that?
It is the serial number which is in that particular ballot box, which can identify that particular ballot box.
Okay.
Ballot box number 135.
Yes.
Oh, this is. Sorry, Mr. Witness.
Yes.
103022 is the serial number of which box?
Of box number 135.
Box number 135.
Yes.
And then we have the ballot box serials.
Yeah, which serial?
End of counting, correct? I'm still at Ndegwa, and I'm still at Mungao. What that is IBC, and that's serial number, correct?
Yes.
And then we also have the serial number for the aperture.
Aperture. Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
What is so specific about this Mungao polling primary school? How many polling stations did it have?
1.
One. So what is strategic about this Mungao primary school?
Your Honor, What happened is the presiding officer.
What is strategic? I'm not asking what happened. What is strategic in this Mungao?
I think, my lord, that is exactly what the witness is saying. He's asking him what is strategic, and the witness
Yes.
is opening his mouth to tell him what it is. He cannot allow him to say.
What is strategic? I'm not asking what the presiding officer did. We'll come to that. She'll come. What is strategic in this Mungao Primary School?
It's because the presiding.
What is strategic?
It has.
Council.
I'm waiting for you. I'm welcome. Yes. Lakini nauliza, kwa nini hii box
Can I now talk to the honor?
ya Ndegwa kutoka?
Why is it strategic? Maybe
Yes.
let me ask for him.
It is strategic because it is having some ballot papers and counterfoil.
Which one?
Mungao, it has used the counterfoils of used ballot papers.
Counterfoil of used ballot papers?
Yes.
I'm listening.
And also, it has unused ballot papers.
So does that mean that this ballot box was not treated in the manner it was supposed to be treated at the time it left Mungao Primary School?
Which box?
This Mungao Primary School.
Yes, just like the way I explained
But-
about the registers
I'm
which
asking-
were put in
Does it
the
mean-
ballot box.
Mr. Witness.
Your Honor, the presiding officer also came physically to the returning officer carrying the counterfoils and some unmarked ballot papers which were supposed to have been put inside the ballot box.
So in Mungao Primary Schools, how many ballot boxes did you have?
One.
Currently?
One.
Currently, how many do we have? We have.
One.
We have one ballot box.
Yes.
So why was you confirm that Mungao Primary School ballot box is not among the 134 that we have?
No. You are
So-
Council, I think he actually explained it.
Yes, but I never got it, my lord.
It's because you're talking
To
over
my
him.
satisfaction.
It's because you're talking over him. What I understood him to say is that Mungao Primary School ballot box is amongst the 134.
Yes.
However, there were some things that were not put in that box at the time they ought to have been put in the box at close of the station. And therefore, those were carried to him. And these are the ones that he has now put in this other box. Is that
Yes,
the correct
Your
understanding?
Honor.
If the court has gotten it right, that's the most important. So, was this ballot box sealed at the time of the closure?
In the Tallying Center?
Yes.
No, it wasn't.
In what?
Which box? Which box, man?
You will
No.
You
You have to
will
be.
re-examine
No.
counsel.
You can't
No need for
re-examine.
re-examination.
You can't re-examine when you are not
Sorry,
clear.
I was not paying attention,
Yeah.
so I'm lost. Just hold on, let me finish. I'll give you a chance.
You will start taking the exam.
I'm just recording what I just understood him
Ye-
to
ye-
have said.
yes, my lord.
Because I thought it is important. What he's basically saying, when they closed the polling station at Mungao, instead of putting all the strategic items inside the box, some, like counterfoils, were left out.
Yes, and they were brought there.
And they were brought to the returning officer. These are the ones he has now put in box number 103022.
Okay.
Box number 135, sealed with 103.
Okay. That is to say, this Mungao ballot box is now inside the serial number 103022.
No, Your Honor.
No, council.
I'm not understanding, my lord.
This is
What
Mungao
understand?
polling center. I'm just trying to see what I understood.
Yes, my lord.
And they have finished counting. These are now the ballot papers. They have put them together inside this box. So let's put them all inside this box. Everything has been put in the box. Ballot papers, some counterfoils, stamps, inside box.
Yes.
Mungao box.
Yes, my lord.
Then they seal. Oh, they realize we forgot these counterfoils. We forgot this stamp.
Okay, and I now
We forgot
understand, my
these
lord.
books.
Thank you for the
We
demonstration.
forgot all these marked ballot papers.
Yes, my lord.
These ones
They
were brought to him.
Yes.
And they have now been put inside this box number 135, referenced there for this polling station of Mungao.
Okay.
Is that my understanding?
Yes, Your
Yeah.
Honor.
Sorry.
So that is to mean that in Mungao Primary School, ballot box does not contain some of the strategic materials, correct?
Yes, that's what I've said.
Was it one stream?
Yes, only one stream.
What else? Is there anything in any other strategic that relates to Mungao?
No?
Okay, let us go now to Chicago Primary School.
Chicago Primary School, yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes?
The
What is it that you received?
One rejected ballot paper. One rejected
rejected.
ballot paper.
Okay. That was not sealed.
Yes.
Okay. How about
Dandara. Primary School.
Mudandara? What did you receive?
One rejected ballot paper.
Yes?
One rejected ballot paper.
And so it is for
Karambari.
Karambari.
Karambari. Primary School.
You know, I can see it's 6:15.
Yes, it is, but let him complete. You've gone up to Mudandara.
Yes.
For Karambari, what happened?
One rejected ballot paper.
Right.
But for purpose of record, because I want to get clear that in Mungao Primary School, you have 2 sets of ballot papers, correct? A counterfoil, correct?
That's not a ballot paper.
I'm okay,
Your
it's
Honor.
okay, permit my ignorance. You have a foil, a counterfoil, correct?
Yeah, set of counterfiles.
Completely used or unused?
Used.
Completely used.
Yes.
And then you have a ballot paper that is
Not used.
not used, completely unused or
Unused.
completely unused,
Not used.
not used at all.
You said about 130 of them. What was the 130?
What was the 130?
I wish, Your Honor, you can have
No, it's okay.
to give you the exact figure from the document I have in the pocket. If you permit me.
Is there a problem? Is there
There's a
any-
big problem because it's going to prejudice us. It was not pleaded. Mr. Witness, just drop that paper.
Let me put it in the pocket instead of dropping.
Did you have it the same? Did you have that information at the time you were doing affidavit?
No, I confirmed.
Did you have that information at the time you were doing your affidavit?
Yes, I did.
Did you include it in your
No, I
your
didn't. I
affidavit?
didn't.
Okay. So, what is this 130 ballot papers you're speaking about?
What?
These unused, you spoke about 100 or 130 unused?
Your Honor, I said, if you, with your authority, with my counsel, we said for honesty and faithfulness, we present all the materials to the court, which had been brought to me, so that the court is aware.
It's okay that you said that you actually can see the So, these unused ballot papers, iko na makaratasi ambayo ilitumika katika hiyo ballot paper? Kwa lugha ya Kiswahili, kuna makaratasi ambayo yalitumika ama hayakutumika?
Hayakutumika.
Okay.
He called them unused.
Unused. So my Lord Grant at the time would wish to seek for adjournment that we proceed tomorrow with the witness.
It's actually 6:15.
Yes, my Lord.
However, counsel, he had said that you really harass me.
Don't worry. Don't worry. As you go, as you see, this is the first time you are being challenged, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
So you're doing very well.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have the time bank? Okay. Time bank?
For the petitioner, we have 71 minutes remaining. The first, second, and third respondent, we have 159 minutes remaining.
159.
Yes, 159. For the fourth respondent, after the addition of that, you now have 11 minutes remaining.
So, did you take the time? Are you able to indicate from 4:30 what amount of time we have spent?
For each or for all?
For each.
Yes. For the petitioner from 4:30. From 4:30 we used we've used 1 hour from 4:30. For the fourth respondent, we've just used 7 minutes. Then for the first, second, and third respondent, from 4:30 we've used 28 minutes.
Okay. From 4:30, I am giving that as court time, so add it back to them. Right? Add back to the parties
Yes.
the time from 4:30. I am feeling generous. Okay. So add back that time. 60 minutes for petitioner, 28 minutes first respondent, fourth respondent, or 7?
Yes, 7 minutes.
And what was his remaining time?
To that,
Yeah, what was the remaining time?
I had 11 minutes.
So you add back to them.
I add back the 7,
Yeah.
so it will be 18.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, and
We are now in slack time, I hope.
yes, my lord, and thank you very much for that generosity. We don't take it for granted. My lord, earlier you had given directions that we file and serve
Oh, sorry.
an affidavit.
Let me read the ruling. It has been sitting here. Let me just read the directions I gave, although they were not issued in this form. Accordingly, I will allow the application on that basis. Oh, sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Please, sorry. I'm just reading the outcome. I'll allow the application on that basis and subject to compliance with the directions hereunder. The directions are as follows. A, the applicant shall file the said affidavit as a supplementary affidavit with no amendment to the substance of the evidence other than the name and ID of the deponent. B, such supplementary affidavit shall be filed by close of business at 5 p.m. Is it online? C, given the tight time frame at the present stage of the hearing, the witness may proceed to testify and be cross-examined on a without prejudice basis. Failing compliance with the directions A or B herein, the said evidence shall stand struck out. Hearing shall proceed on the above basis. So let me sign this and issue. Issue the parties. This for the pen. Okay, is there anything else?
So Your Lordship, pursuant to those directions,
Yes.
we confirm that we have duly filed and served
Okay.
that affidavit, and my learned friends can confirm those are the only details that we altered.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll look through it tonight, and if they find some issues, then they'll let us know.
Very well, my Lord. Thank you.
Anything else, Council? Are we okay? Petitioners?
He is, my lord, other than just wish the court a good night.
I'm going to work on certificates now. First to third respondents, are you okay? Fourth respondents?
You're fine, my lord.
Okay.
Thank you.
We may be honored to get the status of the witness. He said he was being harassed. I have no intention of harassing him.
No, he looks like he'll sleep well. Good evening.
Good evening. Oh, yeah. Is this ours? This is George. George.